Extreme machines, extreme speed, extreme danger. We're bringing you the best of both worlds, lightning-fast firewood processing and giant chainsaw carnage. Buckle up, it's about to get wild. The Rapido Loco 20 isn't messing around. We're talking a 73 horsepower Deutz diesel engine, a beast that meets all US emission standards. This bad boy delivers consistent power for high volume processing. That 50-inch carbide tipped saw cuts through hardwood like a hot knife through butter with minimal maintenance. Plus, with its hydraulic system powering an 8-way wedge, 30-foot conveyor, and live deck, you're looking at maximum efficiency and a serious ROI. Picture this. You're facing a mountain of logs, and winter is coming. What do you need? A posh Vario 650, that's what. This Austrian bad boy can handle logs up to 25.6 inches wide. Want to adjust the firewood size? Boom, Vario system to the rescue. With 17.6 tons of splitting force, this gas-powered machine is the ultimate firewood solution. Let's be honest, who wouldn't want one of these powerful machines? Hey lumberjacks, tired of inconsistent debarking? The Cambio 45's got your back. Its game-changing helical blade rotor delivers a clean peel every time. Imagine, less fiber damage, more usable timber. What if your sawmill could handle any log size? Ready to boost productivity? Let's talk Cambio 45. Are you ready to transform your firewood cutting experience? This chainsaw support is an absolute game changer. Imagine effortlessly assembling your saw, adjusting it to the perfect size. Picture yourself easily cutting through logs without needing anyone's help. This support makes it all possible. It's durable, it's versatile, and it's going to make you actually enjoy cutting firewood. Trust me, you're going to love this thing. Oh boy, you've got to see this. We're talking about a log splitter, but get this, it's made entirely out of scrap metal. No engine, no hydraulics, and it works incredibly well. I mean, how awesome is that? It's simple, it's effective, and it's made from scraps. This isn't just a log splitter, it's a masterpiece of DIY engineering. I'm totally blown away by the creativity here. It is a perfect example. This lumberjack's facing a challenge many in his field know well: a tree with a difficult lean. Successfully felling this oak requires more than just a powerful gas chainsaw. It demands an understanding of the tree's biomechanics and a strategic approach. He'll need to carefully assess the situation, considering the tree's weight, estimated in tons, its height in feet, and the surrounding terrain. It's a delicate dance between man, machine, and nature, and he's got to get it right.
No. Tak bohužel nic. Oh, Will.
Hey folks, let's give it up for Will, the amazing 14-year-old ox. Can you believe this powerhouse? How many of you have ever seen an ox in action? Let's start a conversation about the value of hard work, dedication, and the beauty of the natural world, and how the country of origin plays in an animal's well-being. Will reminds us that age is just a number. Let's show him some love. Let's be honest, stumps are a nuisance. But removing them shouldn't be a major project. The Ventrac KC180 stump grinder offers a smart, efficient solution. It's a compact attachment with impressive power, grinding down to 6 inches below grade. It maneuvers easily in tight spaces and minimizes lawn damage. What a great machine! Consider it an investment in a beautiful, hassle-free yard. In my opinion, this is a must-have for your yard. Behold, the Lindner 95DK, a shredding titan. It's not just a shredder, it's a statement. The secret? An extra-long twin-shaft cutting system that demolishes anything. A robust Scania engine ensures relentless power with surprising fuel efficiency. Prepare to be amazed. Try the 95DK. Wow, this has to be the best tree felling video I've ever seen. The Posh SpaltFix S350 offers a seamless firewood processing experience. Originating from Austria, this machine combines power and precision. With a 12-ton splitting force and a 13.8-inch diameter capacity, it effortlessly handles large logs. The intuitive joystick control ensures smooth operation, while the high-quality Whittier-tipped blade delivers clean cuts. It represents a significant yet worthwhile investment at approximately $38,500 for those seeking efficiency. Behold, the impressive operation at Columbia Vista Logyard. Massive trucks, overflowing with freshly cut timber. It's a symphony of logistics. First, the sheer volume is calculated, down to the precise board foot. Then, the expert sorting. A ballet of heavy machinery, separating each log by type and size. This is where raw power meets precision engineering, transforming the wilderness into a valuable commodity. Wow, look at this! It's a shingle maker they're using in Russia. Turns trees into roofing, just like that. Super clean cuts, and it looks pretty safe too. Impressive. Okay, so I've got to confess, I've watched that video like 10 times already. That jump cut was seriously insane. Introducing the TRV-1200L, the ultimate solution for turning wood waste into profit. This Italian-engineered machine boasts a powerful hydraulic system, a massive 21.65-inch blade, and intelligent PLC control for unmatched precision. Its independent pneumatic clamping system handles any wood scrap, while top-notch safety features like the rapid blade brake and unique safety door ensure operator peace of mind. Upgrade your wood processing with the TRV-1200L. The first thing that jumps out at me about this log splitter is how safe and easy it is to use. Your right hand never has to come between the pusher and the log, because it's on the lever that lifts the log, and your left hand is just there to adjust the log. With that lever, you're really in control of the machine, which makes it super user-friendly, especially for beginners. And then you can see it's also incredibly efficient. What a great design! The XYLO Pack is an innovative palletizing solution for your log business. By employing a hydraulic system to induce vibration, the X-Wilo pack neatly arranges and compacts logs within the pallet. It offers flexibility with different pallet dimensions, up to 47 by 47 inches. The system enhances pallet stability and offers options for either waterproof or netted wrapping. The electric-powered X-Wilo pack is user-friendly and efficient.
Si tak to vypadá.
Some days at work are great, and some days are just awful. People always say third time's the charm, and this guy almost proved them wrong. The Comptech Chippo 8010 isn't your average wood chipper. It's an industrial beast. Powered by a 780 horsepower auxiliary cat engine, this machine is designed for serious throughput, processing up to 353 cubic yards of chips per hour. Its MAN 4-axle truck mount, with available hydro drive, offers unparalleled mobility, enabling access to diverse terrains. The robust feed system and dual-speed drum ensure both high output and fuel efficiency, making it a leader in its class. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. Stihl MS 500 II versus the Husqvarna 395 XP. Both are absolute powerhouses in the chainsaw world. The MS 500i with its fuel injection boasts impressive acceleration and fuel efficiency. On the other hand, the 395 XP, a classic workhorse, delivers raw power and a proven track record. So let's hear it. Team Steel or Team Husqvarna? Drop your comments below and let's get the debate going. Okay, these guys don't exactly scream professional lumberjacks. They're taking down a tree that's practically hugging their house. Is this going to be a perfect fall, or are we about to witness some accidental home renovation? Grab your popcorn, folks. This could get interesting. Manual felling of hardwood trees is labor-intensive and potentially dangerous. The solution? Modern harvesting equipment, like the Rotten H21D paired with the EGS 706 unit. This advanced setup enables controlled felling of beech trees, overcoming the challenges of traditional methods. It's a safer, more efficient, and sustainable approach to hardwood harvesting. Whoa, that was a close one. Man, tree work is seriously risky business. Ever tackled a tough stump and wished for an easier way? Let me introduce you to the Lil Hammer Stump Grinder. This isn't your grandpa's axe. We're talking a 13.5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine, 12 carbide-tipped teeth that practically beg to chew through wood, and a design that's both powerful and portable. Seriously, this machine is built for convenience and performance. All right, folks, let's dissect these two workhorses. The Stihl MS 362C and the Husqvarna 562XP. Both are pro-grade saws in the 60cc class, but with distinct characteristics. The Stihl, known for its robust torque. The Husqvarna prioritizes efficiency and ergonomics. Their X-Torque engine tech delivers excellent fuel economy and reduced emissions.
Fucking A, bro! I'm trying!
Honestly, I thought it was going to be a lot worse.
Oh yeah, I'm great.
It's those kinds of situations that really teach you a lesson, though.
What's up?
Barber chair, but wow.
Whoa! I see the SC600 in action, and I was blown away. This thing practically vaporized a huge hardwood stump. I mean, 1 minute it was there, the next, gone. And the minimal ground disturbance? Incredible. The engineering on this machine is just mind-blowing. This is the future of urban clearing, folks. Ever seen a log so big you wondered how anyone could cut it? Well, Wood-Mizer has the answer, the WM1000. This machine is a beast. It handles logs up to 67 inches in diameter. That's huge. But it's not just about size, it's about efficiency. The thin kerf blade means less sawdust and more usable lumber. What do you think about that? More bang for your buck. And with automated controls, it's easier to operate than you might think. This isn't your grandpa's sawmill. It's a modern marvel of timber processing. This The simplicity of this design and its efficient force application are truly impressive. While manual splitting with an axe remains viable for able-bodied individuals, this mechanized approach significantly reduces energy expenditure and labor costs. The potential reduction in electricity consumption by employing piercers is substantial. This translates to considerable long-term savings and increased operational efficiency. Wow, just look at this thing go. It's incredible how this drum chipper just eats up everything in its path. From massive tree trunks to delicate branches, it's like it doesn't even notice the difference. It just chews it all up and spits out these perfect wood chips. The power and efficiency are truly mind-blowing. Man, big storms like that are always a nightmare. It's lucky that tree only hit the shed. drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. This might not be the flashiest tool out there, but it's definitely one of the most reliable. It's been around for ages and for good reason. It's safe, it's effective, and it's easy to use. What more could you ask for? I've seen these feller bunchers in action firsthand in the forests of Western Oregon, and it's truly an impressive sight. They move with such precision and power, felling trees in a matter of seconds. It's a testament to the ingenuity of modern forestry practices. Seeing the logs stacked and ready for transport gives you a real appreciation for the scale of this industry. Whoa! Now that's what I'm talking about. Driving up those hills with that much weight? That ain't easy, man. That driver knew what he was doing, and that truck's a beast. And that concludes our exciting journey with forestry tech. We hope that through our shared insights, your passion for forestry has been ignited and somewhat fulfilled. See you in the next videos.